Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel! Today, we diving deep into the fascinating world of ecology to explore the fundamental building blocks of every single ecosystem on our planet. We're talking about biotic and abiotic factors. It might sound a bit technical, but I promise, it's super simple and incredibly important for understanding how life works. So, what are they? Let's start with biotic factors. The word bio means life. So, biotic factors are all the living or once living parts of an ecosystem. This includes everything from the tallest trees in a forest to the smallest ants scurrying on the ground. It's the animals, the plants, the fungi like mushrooms, and even microscopic organisms like bacteria and algae that you can't see with your naked eye. If it's alive, it's a biotic factor. Now, let's flip the coin and talk about abiotic factors. A in front of a word often means not or without. So, abiotic factors are the non-living components of an ecosystem. These are the physical and chemical elements that shape the environment. Think about things like sunlight, which provides energy for plants. Then there's the temperature, whether it's hot or cold. We also have the soil, the rocks, the water and rivers and oceans, and even the air we breathe. These non-living things create the stage where life, the biotic factors, can perform. They set the rules for the game of survival. To make this crystal clear, let's imagine a specific scene. Say, a beautiful forest. The biotic factors would be the deer grazing, the squirrels chasing each other up trees, the birds chirping in the branches, the ferns on the forest floor, and the moss growing on the rocks. Even the worms in the soil and the fungi decomposing fallen leaves are biotic. Now, what are the abiotic factors in this same forest? The sunlight filtering through the canopy, the temperature of the air, the richness of the soil, the rocks scattered around, the humidity, and the gentle breeze blowing through the leaves. See? They all exist together in the same space, but one group is living and the other is not. So why is this distinction so important? Because biotic and abiotic factors are in a constant, delicate dance of interdependence. They rely on each other for survival. Let's take that forest example again. Without the abiotic factor of sunlight, the plants, which are biotic, couldn't perform photosynthesis to create their own food. Without those plants, the deer would have nothing to eat, and the entire food web would collapse. Without the abiotic factor of water, nothing could live, period. At the same time, the biotic factors influence the abiotic ones. For instance, large trees create shade, which lowers the temperature on the forest floor. Earthworms aerate the soil, changing its structure. It's a two-way street. Every single ecosystem, from the driest desert to the deepest ocean trench, is defined by this intricate balance between its living and non-living components. Understanding this relationship is the key to appreciating the complexity and fragility of life on Earth. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.